Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2022 Mercedes Benz GLS 450. The 2022 Mercedes Benz GLS 450 will arrive with minor updates majorly in the standard and optional features section. Hence, it will continue to be offered in a single trim level only. The price for the upcoming model will be higher at $77,200 and will get the same powertrain option as the current model. The SUV comes fully loaded right from the assembly line with some ultra-premium features such as heated and ventilated front seats, Burmester audio system with surround sound output, 9 USB ports, and a 360-degree camera system among other features. The heated and ventilated front seats along with 20-inch wheels will be standard offerings on the 2022 GLS 450. Two standard and impressive security features that will be offered with the upcoming model are parking damage detection and an enhanced alarm system. Some of the new optional features for the 2022 model year are electric rear side window sunshades, driver assistance plus package, and active stop and go assist. Some of the existing optional packages and features include a panoramic sunroof, an acoustic comfort package for better noise insulation inside the cabin, and a rapid heating system for front seats. Brands like Mercedes Benz and BMW are known to make some brilliant powertrains that rank among the best in the segment. Gone are the days where full-size German SUVs were powered by mammoth V8 or V12 motors. Mercedes-Benz's all-new EQ Boost tech has been a proven one and the GLS 450 gets the tech as well. The upcoming model of the SUV will retain the powertrain from the outgoing model, hence all the stats are going to be similar too. The outgoing model is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.0-liter M256E30 DEHLAGR turbocharged i6 motor and a 48-volt Mercedes integral starter generator to offer the power and performance of big displacement engines while delivering impressive fuel economy too. The electric motor is housed in the transmission unit's bell housing and develops 21 horsepower, which allows for a smooth automatic start-stop operation whenever possible. The powertrain whips out an impressive 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of maximum torque. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 will see no major interior redesign apart from a few additions of standard and optional features. Hence, the cabin will remain the same as the current model. The interior is one of the main highlights of the SUV and it is more luxurious than the master bedroom of a middle-class house. The main highlight of the cabin is the intriguing dashboard design, which is dominated by a pair of 12.3-inch screens, one for the instrument cluster and the other for the infotainment display. The steering wheel gets the new retro-modern design the brand has adopted for most of its high-end vehicles now.